Yo, what's up? Today we're going to be going through pre-order traversal. You've probably gone through the theory before, but today we're going to be going through the live implementation on Python. So just a bit of theory before we get started. We can implement pre-order traversal on all general trees. So anything that comes underneath it, such as binary trees, we can implement the algorithm on. So when you run pre-order traversal, what you do is you visit the root node first, then the left subtree, and then the right subtree. So it's pretty simple, and let's get cracking into it. So the first thing you have to do is make a class of a node class, so we can actually build the tree first. So the way you do it is it needs a value attribute, so we actually know if we're visiting the right node or not. And each node needs a pointer to its left and right children. So I've made a tree here already. You can just copy it down, and this is what it visually looks like. So we've got a root node here, and it's got two children here, and this is the left subtree and this is the right subtree. Okay, it's pretty simple. And once again, just a reminder, we visit the root first, then the left subtree, then the right subtree. So for our algorithm, we'll pass in the root node first because we want to start up at the top. So the way we do it is we first want to make sure we're actually visiting a node. So we'll call the parameter node and we'll pass in if node. So if the node exists, because we're at the root node first, we can just print it straight away. So we'll do print node.value, and then we want to visit the right subtree first. Sorry, the left subtree first. So we'll do, this is where we make the recursive call to the left. So we'll do pre-order node.left, and then afterwards we want to visit the right subtree, and it's basically a macro version of here. So we want to visit the left child first, and we want to visit the right child. So we'll just do pre-order again, pre-order node.right, and that's pretty much it. So all you have to do now is just run the algorithm, and what it should do is visit 10 first, 5, 2, and then 8. So the root and then the left subtree, and then at the end it should be 15, 14, and 30 in that order. So let's try it out. And yep, it is exactly in that order: 10, 5, 2, 8, and then 15, 14, 30. And that's how you do pre-order traversal on Python.